Hi, good afternoon po everyone. So, this is about sa award namin. So, my speech will be revolving around sa pasok pala sa office. I started my public service life 22 years ago. I could still remember prior to entering government service, the negative image people have of us as public servants. I said to myself, I will push through with this and in my own little way, will try to make my mark and somehow change that impression on us by the people we serve. So at first, I was hired as a registration officer at the Homeowners Association Franchising Unit, where I met people from all walks of life. I could still remember how doing my task would not only consume all my time each day, but also during weekends, during the elections. No problem with that, considering that at the end of each day, people will be satisfied and many communities will be organized and live peacefully. Kaya ako saludo ako sa mga taga-HOA. Kaya alam ko yung tiyaga nila, saka yung pasensya sa mga tao. Tapos, secondly, I also had a one-year stint as a cashier as a collecting officer. So there is really no room for absences at our office. Collects payments and receivables each day. Deadlines are met every day to close the books and deposit all collections the following day. So dito naman, saludo sa mga, dapat pasalamat din tayo sa mga cashier natin dahil dito umiikot yung pera natin, mga naibibigay yung mga bonus para sa atin. Kaya kung dapat talaga umapasok sila palagi. Okay. Thirdly, when I became a monitoring inspector at the Housing and Real Estate Development Regulation Division, I was able to go out from the confines of our office and see everyday different subdivisions, condominiums, and even columbarium and memorial parks with their respective amenities. I truly find enjoyment meeting representatives from different developers while checking their various projects, and at the same time, I find fulfillment in doing my task, protecting the interests of the buying public, making sure that their development are 100% complete and in accordance with the approved plans. Yun nga, dahil sabi mo lumalabas, ang saya kayong umikot sa iba't ibang projects. Kasi usually ito nasa pangarap lang natin eh. Pero yun nga, dahil sa pag-inspection ko, nakikita ko yung ganda ng mga projects, yung mga amenities na hindi natin usually nakikita sa ordinary subdivision. So yun, parang nagagalakan na rin. So, tapos last but not least, I have been a conciliator and a mediator to both the Homeowners Association right now sa HRED complaints presently. So I see to it that I am optimistic, impartial, and always present to help them. Kasi sa conciliation, kaya motivate ka din pumasok. Ang sarap kasi ng pakiramdam na, lalo na yung pag nakaka-reach kayo ng amicable settlement, makikita mo nakangiti yung mga tao na nasolve yung problem nila. So, in little way na ganyan, nakakatulong tayo sa public, sa pag may nare-resolve tayo mga complaints. So, I know that we also get stressed, frustrated, weary, and tired from time to time when we report for work. From the tasks we need to finish, from the remarks of public clients we serve, and even from our colleagues we work with. I just keep in mind that people are constantly waiting for our dedicated help and service for them at our office each and every working day. All these great experiences continue to inspire me for more than 2 decades now to go to work every day and not to incur any absences. Now, I'd like to end my speech by citing famous catchphrase from a popular coffee brand, yung para kanino ka bumabangon. Now I can answer the question, bumabangon ako each and every day to truthfully and faithfully serve the public with professionalism and integrity as we have always sworn to do. Let us keep in mind that the public service is a public trust. With the smiles and thank yous that we get for serving them alone will inspire all of us to get up early and report to work every day. Thank you very much to God, to my supportive family and friends, and to my respectable mentors and honest colleagues, and of course to the Praise Committee for this recognition. More power and mabuhay ang lahat ng kawalan ng gobyerno.
Maraming salamat and congratulations, Sir Romel. Mabuhay ka!